Hello, welcome back. All right, we're going to have an outside underarm turn for the ladies, yes? And we're going to do this in a closed to open position, give you a few different angles for it, okay? So here we go. We're going to start off with a closed position. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1. Good deal. Let's go ahead and turn around this way. Let's go ahead and get it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1. Nicely done. Now with my back to you. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1. Nice. Okay, and one more angle with Monica's back to you. This time I'm going to take a two-hand open position just to give you a little different variety, okay? So let's take it from here. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. 1. Good. So the only difference between the open and closed on that is just distance, okay? Two hands versus the closed. So go ahead and go back, rewind, pause, whatever you need to do to practice together or apart, and any more information, you know what to do with that, right? Private lesson style videos. Practice, have fun, breathe, and then come on back.